it's Ian, and today I have this ultimate survival tactical kit. Now this comes with so many items that you're definitely gonna need when it comes to those emergency and survival situations. Plus, best of all, these all fit neatly and compactly into this hard shell carrying case, so you could bring it anywhere you go, ready for any emergency. So let's jump into it and explain everything that it comes with. Now first, this comes with a really loud whistle. This is great to get people's attention wherever you are. It comes with a compass. Now I can't say how accurate this compass is, but it's perfect for just a quick reference. And it also comes with this really awesome carabiner. You could put all your keychains. I like to keep my keys on one of these, and you can just put it on your camping bag or other bag that you might have. Now it also comes with this really awesome wire saw. Not many survival kits come with this. This is perfect for quickly and easily chopping down wood, trees, and other twigs and sticks that you might need to, say, build a fire, build some shelter, anything you need to cut. This will do it quickly and conveniently. And speaking of fire, this also comes with one of these really convenient flint and steels. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is that the striker it comes with isn't very sharp. You're better off just using a knife, or the knife that comes included with this super high quality multi-tool. So let's just talk more about this. Now this is a really neat 7-in-1 multi-tool. It's got spring-loaded pliers that's great for a bunch of different uses. It's got this saw, a bottle opener and flathead screwdriver, of course a Phillips head screwdriver as well, and a really sharp knife. This is what I was talking about that's going to be great for the flint and steel. And lastly, of course, it comes with this flashlight that you just twist to turn it on. Plus, it also has a super high quality stainless steel credit card multi-tool. Now you've probably seen this before, but I haven't seen one as high quality as this one. Like, the knife is super sharp, it's got anything you need. You can slip this into your wallet, and plus, I love that it comes with this guide, so it walks you through all the different tools that this comes with. It even has this nifty sleeve to protect it and anything you store this in. And lastly, this also comes with a hard shell storage case with a foam interior. This is gonna keep everything and even more stuff that you might wanna put in here to customize it neatly inside, keeping it safe and sound. But this isn't just for survival or emergency situations. This is perfect for camping. You're always gonna need one of these when you're outdoors in the wilderness. So head on over to the site and grab one today. Plus, these make fantastic gifts, so get one for the outdoorsy, woodsy type person in your life.